Hi, we're at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside of Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we'll be looking at the Ferris SRS Z3 stand-on mower. This mower does have a 52-inch cutting deck with the ICD cutting system. There is also a 37 horsepower Vanguard big block engine with your Vanguard oil system. Our cutting deck is also fabricated with our spindles. This mower does have large rear tires. We have a pivoting front axle. This mower does come with a hand adjustable magnetic pin cutting height adjustment with cutting heights between 1 inch and 5 inches. This mower does have a suspension platform as well as your seat cushion. We have the controls at the top, as well as our fuel tank. This mower does come with a rubber chute. There is also a commercial Hydro Gear ZT 4400 transmission with 8-inch cooling fans. Our fuel tank's capacity is 11 gallons. Once again, this is a Ferris SRS Z3 stand-on mower. If you're interested in this mower or any other mower we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.